Hey guys, RC Outdoors here, and today I'm just going to be showing you my ESC setup for my ECX Ram Runner, and I'll be using the Castle Link USB adapter for this. You can watch my tips and tricks video number 2 to figure out how to use the whole Castle Link system. So I'm going to go ahead and open Castle Link. As you'll see here, when it's running correctly, it'll have USB connected and device linked. When this is green, that is when your device is hooked up to the computer. When this is on, that is when your ESC is connected to your device and your device is connected to your computer. So what you're going to do is when you first get it, it'll show you what system you have. As you can see, I got the Sidewinder short course truck. So what you're going to do is you're going to update, make sure it's all set up. When it's done, press OK. Now on my setup right now, I am running cutoff voltage automatic. My auto LiPo cutoff, I'm at 3.3 volts. Reverse type is with reverse. That is the that's default. Now if it has a parentheses with the asterisk in it on your option, that is the default. So motor direction normal, motor type brushless, power on, warning beep, you want that. Well, you may not want it, but I'd like it. Brake amount, right now I'm using 50%, which is default. Drag brake, I'm keeping it about 20%. Alright, so that's about it on this page. Then you're going to go to power. Max forward power, I'm keeping at about 100%. Max reverse power, 40%. Punch control, the higher this number is, the slower you are off the line. So for drag racing, you want it around 0 to 10%. If you're doing 100%, that's basically you do not want to spin your tires at all, and for about 4 seconds you will be going only at about 10% throttle, and then it will gradually increase over about 5 seconds until you hit 100% throttle. Right now I'm keeping it between 20 and 25. Torque limit, this is, I'm not really familiar with this, but right now I'm keeping mine at about 0.9, but the default is 0.1, so I might actually I'm just going to keep it disabled for right now. I need to learn a little bit more about the torque limit, but if you guys know what the torque limit does, be sure to leave it down in the comments, or I'll figure it out by myself, which it's no big deal. When I do the tips and tricks, I'll be sure to make sure I have that nailed. Advanced, right now I'm running sensorless motor timing, just normal 10, and then arming time, this is the time that it takes for the whole ESC to arm and start to send power to the motor. Right now I'm just keeping this at 1 second. Default is 1.5 seconds. Throttle deadband, so this is how much you have to move the trigger on the controller before the ESC sends any signals. Right now I'm just keeping it at default. I have set it at 0.1125, but right now I'm just keeping it at 0.1. And then start power, you want to keep this at low unless you have a very, very good battery that can handle draining amps very quickly. Throttle curve, right now I'm just doing it at a steady increase. Now to use this, left click and you'll be able to add points, as many points as you'd like. So when you're doing just for fun, you can do at 20% throttle, it climbs and then it drops down to 30, or when you have 30, and then it goes up. And then to delete these, just right click, and that's how those go. Right now I'm just keeping it at this. I have actually done this, so it's a steady incline until about 30%, and then it climbs, and that's good. And this is how you can really pop wheelies. So if you're at 50 and then you go like this, that's basically how you pop wheelies. Or what you can do is go all the way up. You do this, you're going to be popping wheelies instantly. But right now I just keep these off, and I keep that. Brake curve, how you go down in braking, just leave this how it is, and then just leave the throttle curve at it as it is. As you can see, I'm just showing you my setup. So advanced, 10, 1 second, 0.1, and low. Power 100%, reverse power 40, and punch control 25%. Auto lipo, the auto lipo volt per cell is 3.3. The reverse type with reverse, motor direction normal, motor type brushless, power on, warning beep enabled, brake amount 50%, and drag brake 20%. So that's about it for this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. I am going to be trying to do 1 to 2 videos per week. So of course, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.